Well, hello dude and dudettes. First we're going to go to the Blue Blood palette. Then afterwards, the Bundle lipstick. Thank you for joining the channel again. If you haven't subscribed, please follow the link down below and hit that bell if you want new updates on the new videos. I love the packaging of the lipsticks. I think it's fabulous. So first we go for the shimmers. Entitled, Ocean Eyes, Ice Tray, Crystal Flesh, Cullinan, Mintia, I Am Cold, Untouchable, Priceless, Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, Blue Monday, Flourishing, his makeup, his formula is made from dye because it's cruelty free and vegan free. Like if you go to his videos, he will tell you it's cruelty free and vegan free. So, you know, so you can buy his products if you're a vegan and you don't like cruelty to animals. But apart from that, if you don't mind the colors, you know, it stains your eyelids. Wealthy. Celebrity skin. Cremated. Undertaker. I am going to the lipstick bundle now. Drug Lord. Ice tray. I like these shades of lipstick. They're very bright, very vampy, if you want to call it. Very goth. So, you know, it's just lovely. Jawbreaker. Blue velvet. Abused. Diamond. These lipsticks are dye colors. You can see by how dye they are, but obviously good quality, very vibrant, as I said before. When I rubbed them out, unfortunately, it didn't come out. It came out after 2 days. It stained on me. Titanic. His products are very good quality. I love them, in fact, even though they're a bit pricey. For me, I have to save my money to buy one of his pellets, but I don't mind because it's good quality and his shimmers are really nice. Medusa, and here are my eyes. Bye.